Hey, what's going on, my friend? Tasche here, and in the next few days, I'll be reviewing a brand new course called Taladro. Now, this course is coming from Ivana and rawat, and what it's going to teach you is going to teach you how to make money online, selling products online, using Google AdWords as your advertising source. Now, don't think of this as just another Google AdWords course, because a lot of courses have been made in the past about how to use Google AdWords and how to make money using Google AdWords. What you're going to really learn in this course is you're going to learn Ivana's strategy for generating four-figure paydays using Google AdWords. In fact, in the course, Ivana is going to share a case study where she spent about $41 on ads in Google AdWords and turned that into over $5,000 in revenue. So a lot of really exciting things that you're going to learn in this course. Now, the course is being released on June 18th at 10 a.m. Eastern, and the launch is going to close out on the 22nd of June at midnight that evening. And I'll be sending out my review. Like I always like to send my reviews out about an hour before products go live that I'm reviewing. So look for an email from me around 9 a.m. Eastern on the 18th with my review for Taladro. Now, if you're not on my list and perhaps you found this video on YouTube, for example, go and click the link in the description. That's going to take you to another page where you can access the review when it's ready. And as always, I'm offering a very valuable bonus package along with this for anybody who picks up their copy of Taladro through my link. And this is a course that I'm really excited about. I think what's going to happen, a lot of people are going to really love this course because of the fact that you're using a very reputable advertising source, Google AdWords, but you're learning how to use it in a way to maximize your return on investment. Okay, like I said earlier, a lot of courses have been made on Google AdWords in the past, and a lot of people have stopped using AdWords because of it's been getting really expensive, and it's sometimes it's just hard to figure out. Well, Ivana has cracked the code basically, and is going to show you exactly what you need to do to use AdWords to get highly targeted traffic to your pages to start generating those four-figure paydays that we all want. So, guys, that is Kurt. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.